Welcome! If you want to stay up to date with everything happening on Discord, enabling update email notifications is a must. In this quick guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to turn on update email notifications using Discord's web version on your PC so you never miss out on important news, feature releases, or policy changes. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and head over to the Discord website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon right next to your username. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the user settings menu, take a look at the sidebar on the left. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications to open up all the different ways Discord can keep you informed. Here's where you'll find the email notification settings. Scroll down until you see the Email Notifications section. Under this section, look for the option called Update Emails. This is the setting that controls whether Discord will send you emails about new features, product updates, and important announcements. To enable Update Emails, simply click the toggle next to Update Emails so it turns on. That's it. From now on, Discord will send you emails whenever there's a major update or announcement, making sure you're always in the loop, even when you're not actively using the app. Remember, you can always come back to this menu and adjust your email preferences whenever you want. Whether you're a casual user or a server admin, keeping update emails enabled is a great way to stay informed about the latest changes on Discord. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Stay connected and see you in the next video.